All right, so this is Carlos's bike.
Right here.
We'll start from the bars. We got giant grips. Pretty much everything on here is giant. Giant aluminum bars. Giant aluminum stem. Giant modem. High tensile steel frame. 3-piece chromoly cranks. By giant chain wheel, seat, tires, rims, spokes, hubs, pedals. Then up here we've got the 2-finger brake lever in black with the Tektro giant brakes, and then we've got the Cane Creek headset. Sorry, my phone was ringing. All right, and then we'll do the hub sound, and then we'll move on to my bike. That didn't feel good. All right. Now I just got text. Okay, so with my bike, got the Kink Midtown bars with Mission Junction stem, Mission Helix grips, cut the flanges off. Then we go down, we've got a Kink headset, Kink Volte forks, Kenda stock tires in front and rear. I'm very popular.
Another text message.
Yeah, Kink rim and Mission spokes. Kink Curb 2012 matte purple frame. 1-piece seat and post combo. Mission seat, plastic. Mission seat clamp. Mission 3-piece chromoly cranks and aluminum Kink pedals. Kink decimal chain wheel and full link chain. And same everything in the back. We've got a Kink hub up here and a Mission hub back here. And I'll do the hub sound now. And both our frames are high tensile steel. And we have aluminum stems and bars. And we're both working on getting new parts. So yeah, subscribe.